Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa camera flashing orange and green, just like this. So the camera is basically in setup mode. You need to grab your phone in the Kasa app and start the setup, all right? So it's pretty simple. So I just come here and tap on the Kasa app. Already have it working, okay? So you need to log into your account. In here, you tap on the plus signal to add a new device. Tap on device, then cameras. In here, I can choose my camera, in this case, the Kasa Spot Pen and Tilt. I tap on it. In here, I see that I need to connect to the power supply. I already have it connected here to the power, right? So I'm good to go. I just hit next. And I check that the LED should be flashing orange and green, which it is right now. So orange and green. And here, I need to connect the camera to my cell phone. Basically, the camera has a signal here. I need to find the signal. So it's a Wi-Fi signal. So I just come here to my phone and I'm gonna look for the signal that belongs to the camera, okay? So here I need to look for the Kasa cam. I saw here. So I tap on it and I'm going to connect to the Kasa, all right? So to the Kasa cam. Then I come back here to the screen and say I'm already connected. And then the app is going to look for the camera to connect to the camera to give the information the camera needs to use to connect to the router, right? Okay. So here now I need to choose a network that the camera is going to connect to. Remember that I need to use a network that works with 2.4 gigahertz. So just make sure you're selecting one of those. So here I have this one. And I need to insert the password. I already have it here. And then hit return and continue, okay? So now we just need to wait. The cell phone is going to connect to the camera, give the camera the information on which Wi-Fi is supposed to use, and then the camera connects directly to the router. There we go. Now I just need to give the device a name. Let me just put here Kasa Cam. You can put any name you want. Just hit save. And here select a location. I'm gonna select office and hit save. There we go, notification and other things here. I'm gonna just skip this. I don't wanna to set up this right now. There we go, I'll do this later. And everything sounds good here for me. I'm not gonna start a plan right now. I just want to skip this and I'm good to go. When I come here to the devices, I can find my camera and there's a button here to update the firm, okay? So I just hit update here and wait for the camera to update. Just need to do this. You see the camera is still flashing here, but now it's different, right? It's flashing green. Now I just need to wait for the camera to update and I'm good to go. Okay, so after the update, just hit here done and you're good to go. Just can read this if you want to. Tap on exit and then you have your camera already working, right? So just skip this for now. Come to my camera and there we go. Have the camera working and ready to go. Just move my hand here, see that's working and it's fine right now, okay? So that's the way you solve the problem with the Kasa camera flashing orange and green. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.